Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You've opened Capcut and added your files. Now focus on the audio layer. First, place the music clip on its own track under the video. Once done, tap the music clip to open the audio inspector so you can control volume and effects. Make sure to check the clip length versus the video. If it's longer, split or trim it now. This initial layering lets you adjust background music independently, which is the only dependable way to make it quieter without affecting dialogue or sound effects. You'll now refine the mix by using both global volume and keyframes. Start by dragging the volume slider down to a baseline, try 20 to 30% and listen. Then add keyframes where dialogue starts and ends. Create one before, one at the lowest point, and one after. This lets the music duck only when needed. If the voice still struggles, apply a mild EQ cut to the music's midrange so spoken frequencies sit clearer. Once you can hear the speech cleanly, preview the whole clip from start to finish. Finish by doing a full listen and export a short test clip to check levels on phone and computer speakers. If any sections jump out as too loud, return to keyframes and nudge the values or add a quick fade. Make sure to export with the same sample rate as your source to avoid level shifts. If you still have problems, mute the music, re-import the audio with lower gain, or apply gentle compression so peaks don't overwhelm dialogue. This usually solves stubborn level mismatches.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.